There is a very beautiful track of a cow that is having very good follicular activity on the both of the ovaries. So if you look at the ovary of this animal, right now there are one and two follicles that are palpable. These are the follicles that are fluid filled and fluctuating. You can palpate them. Plus there is some of the follicle are on the other ovary. These are not palpable. To me, the only palpable that we can easily palpate, this one is the larger follicle that is easily palpable, but you can try this one also. But if you are taking the help of the ultrasound, then you can look on the entire of the follicle or of any stage. But this one is the animal that is having a dominant follicle on the ovary. And if you look at the uterine horns, again there is a very clear turgidity in the uterine horns. This is the, you can say, somewhat tonicity in the uterine horns. We can compare it with this animal. These are the flaccid uterine horn. These are the flaccid uterine horn. I mean that there is no life in the uterine horns. It look like that, but these are somewhat swollen. Feel like there is a life in the uterine horns, that is just can go for the diagnosis as that this is having the somewhat turgidity in the horns or tonicity in the uterine horns, that is under the effect of estrogen that is being secreted from this follicle on the ovary. This animal is in estrus. We can say that this animal is truly in estrus or in the follicular phase, having a dominant follicle on any of the ovary, plus there is a clear turgidity in the uterine horns. And if you look at the external os is open, and you can look at the discharge. This is a stringy discharge in the you can look over here. There is a stringy clear discharge, plus the external os is very easily open. You can insert 2 centimeter of your thumb inside the external os. That is very clear to diagnose it as in estrus if you have palpated such follicle on the ovary with this kind of the tonicity. So this is the tonicity of the estrus, and there is a dominant follicle on the ovary. External os is open. These are the clinical sign of the estrus to diagnose the animal. The behavioral sign can be related if you are going to examine the live animal, but you can compare clearly the flaccidity with the tonicity. These are the flaccid uterine horn. These one are the tonic uterine horns. Okay, and there are follicle on the ovary. There is no follicle on the ovary. There is no follicle on the ovary. Just having a corpus luteum that is completely regressed of the previous cycle.